Always remember, these videos are for educational purposes and should not be tried without express permission from the owner of a web server. The first part is to turn on your FTP service on your Windows device. To achieve this, visit your control panel and navigate to Programs and Features. From there, click Turn on Windows Features, and where it says IIS, expand the list to reveal FTP Server. Expand one more time and click the FTP service, so it becomes active. By clicking OK, you begin the install of the relevant service, and this only takes a few moments. To target the FTP server, we require the IP address of the device. Run an IP config, and you are set. With the FTP server now online, we are going to ensure we can reach this from our Kali Linux device. The command, FTP followed by the IP address, will bring up a login prompt. Although in this case, I have previously set up a username and password for FTP, we are trying to expose how unsafe FTP is. As you can see, we can reach the server OK, and by using CD to change to the C drive, we can see all of the files on this server. Here we are going to expose the FTP protocol for how unsecure it is. We need to start Wireshark as a root user, so use the sudo Wireshark command. By having this running, it will see all the traffic between the Kali laptop and the target FTP server. It defaults to the Ethernet 0 port, so just click Capture, then Start. Leave this running in the background. Now, perform the same login as before, using the FTP command followed by the IP address of your FTP server. As you are doing this, all of the traffic is being captured in the background using Wireshark. As you navigate to the C drive of the FTP server, you can see some of the movement behind the CLI box. Stop the capture, and we can move on to the last element. We now have the packet capture, or PCAP file. We want to analyze this to see the specific FTP traffic. Wireshark has specific display filters it can use, and in this example, typing tcp.port == 21 shows only TCP and FTP traffic. Click on the first of the FTP packets shown in the list and right mouse click, selecting Follow TCP Stream. The box that now pops up shows some very useful, exposed information. The username and password to log into the server. Secure this immediately by using SFTP. We must learn to defend ourselves online in many different ways. So keep watching the G-Man channel for more videos like this one and our playlists. Like, share and subscribe. See you soon.